Okay, today I'm going to show you how to how to crack a master code lock in some steps. Here's the lock, and first of all, I'll just put on 0, like that. Then I'll lift gently up onto this lock thing, and here I click on number 2, so number 2, take off 2 equals 0, so 0 is one of my numbers. Keep on going further, and that's another click on 17. Take off 2, 15. Okay, now further. Oh, there's a click on 31. So I'll take off 2 and 29. Okay, let's try all possible combinations. I'll try 0, 29, 15. Okay, just need to spin. 0, 29, and 15. Nope, that's not it. So I'll just go around. Let's try 29, 0, 15. 29, 0, 15. Nope, that's not it. And now I'm going to try 20, 29, 15, then 0. Oh, that's it. So just remember to hold up gently and here for the clicks, and then after you hear them, take off 2 and try all possible combinations. Thanks for watching. Please put a thumbs up.